Thanks, Bumpy.
Noddy, me lad, we've got a problem. We've found this here treasure map. But we can't go on a treasure hunt. Stripes went to see the builders to learn all about maps. She takes pirating seriously.
What about Scurvy? Can't he help?
Scurvy is the problem. He went with Stripes but came back alone, and since then hasn't said a word. Now here's us stuck with a Silent Parrot.
I bet I can make him say something. Watch.
Oh, you see? Not a squeak.
Oh.
Oh, dear. That's not like Scurvy at all.
You're right. I need to investigate. Why has Scurvy stopped talking? Time to open a new case. Investigate. Who? What? When? Where? Why? How? Let's investigate now. Let's call this the case of the Silent Parrot.
How are you going to solve this one, Noddy?
Maybe there's something wrong with Scurvy's voice. I'll take him to Fuse for a checkup. Come on, Scurvy, let's go for a ride.
Good luck, Noddy!
Oh! Hello, Smartysaurus. Oh, hello, Noddy. Are you in a hurry? Do you want a lift? One and two and three and four.
Aha! And rest. Well done, Smartysaurus.
Hello, Deltoid.
Noddy! You've come to join us. We've just started to do all my exercises. Action, hero, exercise, class! Ha!
Sorry, Deltoid. I'm on an investigation. Maybe later.
Okay, now, on my signal, all race to the Deltoidium. Backwards. Go! That's it, Smartysaurus. Okay.
Oh, Deltoid, your pencil. We'll give it to him later. Come on.
Checkup underway. Parrot, check. Voice, check. All in perfect working order.
So Scurvy can speak.
Correct.
I wonder what's wrong then. Scurvy, you can tell me.
Blue marks there.
Huh?
Error, untidy workshop. Error. Oh no. Error, blue marks there. Error.
Scurvy, can you fly up a minute? Scurvy, where did all this blue come from? Oh! Deltoid's pencil! Is this where the blue came from? It's no good. He isn't going to tell us. Let's go and talk to Deltoid.
Cleaning mode. Tidy workshop. Happy face!
Thanks, Fuse. Bye!
Goodbye, Noddy.
And up! And down! And up!
And rest.
Oh, phew.
Another exercise completed. But my pencil. Ah, thank you, Bumpy. Noddy, are you joining my action hero exercise class?
Sorry, Deltoid. I'm on an investigation. Smartysaurus, Scurvy isn't saying a word.
That's strange. He was fine earlier.
Oh, when did you see him?
This morning, with First Mate Stripes.
I invited them to join us, but they said they had something else to do. Aha! And lift!
We found this blue stuff on Scurvy. Do you know how he got it?
No, Noddy. Sorry.
And he didn't play with your blue pencil at all? So how did he get blue on him? Who else has coloured pencils? Farmer Tom? No. The fairies? No. Pat? Yes! She's got lots of different coloured pencils. Maybe Scurvy and First Mate Stripes went to see her. Good luck with the class.
Bye, Noddy!
Bye, Noddy. Bye, Dad. Oh, hello, Noddy.
Hello, Pat.
Have you come to play with us? I mean me. Play with me.
You're alone? Aren't the pockets here?
No. So, shall we do some skipping?
Actually, I'm on an investigation. Do you know what could have made these marks? Have you got a blue pencil like this?
I've got lots of pencils. Blue ones, red ones, green ones, yellow ones, purple
What's
ones,
that?
pink ones, and black ones. Huh?
Is there someone there? Hello?
What?
First Mate Stripes.
Oh, hello, Noddy. How are you, lad? Oh, hello, Bumpy. Revs. Scurvy. What are you doing here?
Scurvy stopped talking. He won't say a word. I don't understand. What are you doing here? I thought you were studying maps. What is it, Bumpy? Hopscotch? That's where Scurvy's blue marks come from. Were you and Scurvy playing hopscotch?
Yes, it's true. And she didn't want the captain to know because it isn't very piratey. You won't tell the captain, will you, Noddy? Promise me you won't breathe a word.
Wait a minute. Did you ask Pat and Scurvy to promise as well?
Aye, they both promised they wouldn't say a thing.
Ring-a-ding! That must be why Scurvy stopped talking. He promised he wouldn't say a thing.
Oh, Scurvy, I'm sorry. From now on, you can talk about whatever you like, even hopscotch.
All right.
Hopscotch! Hopscotch!
Right then.
Stripes? The captain found a treasure map, but with you being away and Scurvy not talking, the treasure hunt has been cancelled.
Oh, no. Right then. I better tell the captain I've been playing all day. Captain, I've got something to tell you. Huh? You're playing a game, Captain? That doesn't look very pirate-y.
Well, being a pirate ain't just about finding treasure or sailing on the high seas. Being a pirate's about having fun.
So a pirate can play hopscotch too?
Hopscotch? I loves a game of hopscotch!
Hopscotch.
Scurvy speaks! Ah, now that's music to my ears!
Let's all play our favourite game.
Treasure hunt!
Treasure hunt! Treasure hunt!
Hooray!
Well done, Noddy. You've solved the investigation.
Thanks! When I found first mate Stripes playing hopscotch, I worked out why Scurvy was so silent. Stripes had asked him not to say a thing, and that's exactly what he did. The case of the Silent Parrot is closed. So, there's just one thing to do. We've solved all the clues.